To replace the upper chute assembly on the Cub Cadet Chipper Shredder, you will need a 7/16" wrench and socket. With the chute in the locked position, place a towel at the bottom of the chute to prevent the chute mounting bolts from falling into the impeller housing. Reaching into the chute, use the 7/16" wrench to secure the bolt. Then use the 7/16" socket to unthread the nut. Repeat for the second nut and bolt. With the bolts removed, you can pull the lock rod out to fully release the old upper chute. You're now ready to install the new upper chute assembly. Align the upper chute on the lower chute, making sure the lock rod is snapped into place. Insert the two mounting bolts from inside the chute, then thread and tighten the nuts. Remove the towel, and the chipper shredder should be ready for use.